everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline, and today I have another ButcherBox unboxing. It's been about 2 months since my last box, so it's about the time where I usually start ordering them again. And in this box, I did one of the base boxes, plus a whole bunch of the add-ons. So if you aren't familiar, what ButcherBox is it's essentially a delivery service where they give you, or they mail you, higher quality meats. So there are a lot of different base boxes that you can do depending on your preferences for what types of meat you prefer. You can do like just chicken, chicken and beef, chicken, beef and pork. There's a whole bunch of different variations. And then in addition to the base box, you can do a lot of the add-ons. So you can either schedule an add-on so you get one every box, or you can just do a one-time add-on. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do. So in my box, I have one of the base boxes and then a whole bunch of add-ons. And I do want to note too, this video isn't sponsored or affiliated with ButcherBox in any way. I purchased all the boxes on my own, and I do have a link down below if you are curious about trying it. That way you save, I think right now it's $30 off your first box, and then I also save off my next box as well. So thank you for those of you who used my link from my last video. That was so nice of y'all, and I hope you love your ButcherBox as much as I do. So I've been ordering these boxes for probably about 1.5 years now, and I've really been enjoying them. We've kind of honed in on what we really like in the boxes, so I think that makes it a little bit easier to order. But I am always curious to try a bunch of the new things, and I do have a couple of the newer items, like the corned beef, and I think I have one of their pre-prepared meats in here as well. So first I'm gonna turn you around and we're gonna go through what was included in my base box and what the add-ons were, and then I'll do the unboxing. So first I just wanted to start off going through what the different prices are for the base box plus the add-ons that I got. So on their website, you can track what's in your box and your different add-ons or deals that you add on. So this is the base box up here at the top. So this is like the baseline of what you can order. So I do the beef, chicken, and pork box. It costs $129. So in just that base box, I'd get 4 6-ounce flat iron steaks, 2 10-ounce New York strip steaks, 1 3-pounder higher center cut pork loin roast, 3 1-pound packs of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and then 2 1-pound packs of ground beef. Now next below that, you see it says add-ons. So those are things that are going to be recurring. So unless I cancel it, it'll just keep on coming in my next box. So here I have ground turkey, 2 1-pound packs for $14. Then these are 2 new things that I've never ordered before, so I'm excited to try them. So first we have the corned beef brisket. This one, it was $19.50 and it should be 2.8 pounds. This is their new line of pre-cooked meats. So they previously ordered a couple things like pulled pork, but now they have what's called ButcherBox Complete is what they're calling it. So I decided to try the beef sirloin cap. So it should be 16 ounces of fully cooked beef sirloin cap for $18. Next up, I have the best breakfast ever. So this is 3 packs of bacon and 3 1-pound packs of breakfast sausage for $30. I really like their bacon, and then my husband and I kind of have like a love-hate relationship with the breakfast sausage. So sometimes it's really, really good, and then other times we aren't the biggest fan. So I'm just kind of hoping that in this box it's really good. Then next down here, we have buy 2 apple Gouda sausage, get 1 free. This is my personal favorite. So the apple Gouda sausage, we have 3 12-ounce packs for $14. And then lastly, this was another add-on. I probably should have taken this one off because I already got the apple Gouda sausage up here, but that's all right. Here I got 1 apple Gouda sausage plus the 3 1-pound packs for chicken breasts for $21. And then down below, it'll tell you like your full total, and if you have any credits that you have from referrals, or if you have any like student discounts, things like that, those will all come off at the end. So now I'm about to open it up, and I did get a question in one of my previous videos of how long does it actually take to get the ButcherBox. So in my experience, typically I get billed one day. So like for this box, I got billed on Saturday, and then I just got the box today, which is Wednesday. So usually it's about 3 days before it ships, and then I get it the next day. That's been my experience. I live in Pennsylvania, and these boxes always either ship from Delaware or New Jersey. So that's how quickly I tend to get mine. So it is very full this time. It looks like all my dry ice is gone, but it's still very cold in here. So here are my organic, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, no antibiotics ever. 2.78 pounds. Three of the Butcher Box pasture raised antibiotic free pork breakfast sausage. So here's 1, 2, 3. Here's the ground beef. So these ones are 100% grass-fed, grass-finished, 85% lean, 15% fat, 16 ounces or 1 pound each. It looks like chicken again. So again, organic chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. Here I got 3.17 pounds. This is the ground turkey. 2 of them, no antibiotics, all natural, all vegetable diet, no preservatives. These are 1 pound each. Two of the grass-fed beef flat iron steaks. So this one says it is 1 pound, 8 ounces. Okay, so this is the Butcher Box Complete that I was just mentioning before. So this is already cooked. And this is the Montreal-inspired beef sirloin cap. Fully cooked, keep frozen. And then it says, I thawed in a refrigerator overnight, and then I can heat it in a skillet or a grill. So that could actually be really fun to just warm up on the grill or something, just for like a really easy dinner. Here's the uncured corned beef brisket. This is another one I've never had before. And I tried cooking one of these one time and it really didn't taste very good, so my husband's gonna have to cook this one. I don't see a weight on there. Gonna have to make sure to not order any bacon in my next box because now I have way too much. I have 4 of the Applewood smoked bacon because I ordered 3 with that breakfast bundle, and then one of these is going to be my bacon for life. Next up, this is my personal favorite, the Apple Gouda uncured sausage. And you can get this brand at, I know sometimes they have some of the versions at Whole Foods, and then around here there's another store called Mom's Organic Market. They also have this brand there, but I've never been able to find this specific one of that brand. But 4 apiece. Here's the grass-fed beef sirloin, or beef strip sirloin steaks. Those are 10 ounces each. And then lastly, a really heavy thing. So this is the boneless center cut pork roast. It is 4.6 pounds. So next up, I'm just going to take you through real quick on the website what the different variations of the add-ons are. So as I mentioned before, only 5 of these items are actually in my base box, and then everything else I add on based off of what I've basically tried over the 1.5 years I've been having Butcher Box. I've kind of figured out the things that we like more. So those are the add-ons that I get. But yeah, I'm going to take you through on the website those add-ons and how you can get different deals if you're interested in that. So if you're curious too what the different add-ons you can get are, these are the current add-ons right now. So if you watch my previous video, they've probably even changed since then. So add-ons, as it says, it ships in every box. So unless you cancel it, it'll keep on coming in every box after that. So right now you can see the only one I have are the ground turkey breast. And then there are different combinations, like you can do a ground beef and chicken, add on bacon. I think the breakfast sausage is here. So different things. And then if you're curious about the deals, and the deals are different, this is where, like if I did the best breakfast ever bundle, that was one of the deals. So here today they're doing like a heat and eat bundle. So you get apple gouda sausage, pulled pork, and the Butcher Box complete chicken. So that's their cooked chicken for $23. Different variations of the number of packs of bacon. Here's the corned beef brisket that I got. Chicken tenders. It looks like salmon's on sale today for $21. And then some of them are already sold out. So yeah, that's just an overview of the different add-ons. So that'll be all for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I'll see you next time.